Welcome everyone to this video tutorial. Dates, they are everywhere, but days, anniversaries, deadlines, and in databases. Today we are diving deep into PostgreSQL and its powerful date comparison capabilities. PostgreSQL, one of the world's most popular open source relational database systems, offers plethora of functions and operators for date and time data types. Imagine a table named people with a date of birth column. How would you find everyone's born after January 1st, 2000? In this example, we are querying the people table to retrieve the names and dates of birth of individuals born after January 1st, 2000. The greater than operator is used to compare the date of birth column with the date 200101. If the date of birth is later than 200101, the true will be included in the result set. Let's execute the code and see. Next topic is about date function. What to compare a date with a today's date? PostgreSQL has a function for that. Here we are using current date function, which returns the current date. The query fetches names and dates of a birth of individual whose date of birth matches today's date. Essentially, it retrieves people who are celebrating their birthday today. Now move to the next topic, date intervals. Sometimes you need to compare dates with a range or interval. PostgreSQL got you covered. The between operator is used to filter rows based on the range. In this query, we are selecting individuals born between January 1st, 1990 and January 1st, 2000 inclusive. This means if someone was born on either of those exact dates, they would also be included in the result set. Let's execute the code and see. Next topic is extracting date parts. Need to compare just month or a year? The PostgreSQL has a function extract that can help you. The extract function is used to retrieve a specific part like a day, month, year, or etc. from a date or time value. In this example, we are extracting the month from the date of birth column. The query fetches individuals born in the month of July, as July is represented by the number 7. The year or day of a birth doesn't matter in this query, only the month is considered. Let's execute the code and see. Lastly, the next topic is the date arithmetic. Adding or subtracting days, month, or years, PostgreSQL allows the date time arithmetic too. PostgreSQL allows you to perform arithmetic on dates using intervals. In this example, we are subtracting 30 years from current date using the minus interval 30 years clause. The query then fetches individuals whose date of birth matches this calculated date, essentially retrieving people who are turning 30 years old today. Each of these examples showcase a different aspect of date handling in PostgreSQL, from basic comparison to more advanced operation using a built-in functions and operators. So at last, I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.